With this move, we will be able to do that, not only host them more comfortably, but to be able to provide better service. We're also better located because we'll be beside Grand Central Station, so all our publics will be able to come, plus we'll be closer to the UN. It's a time for us to reflect on embracing our second, third, and fourth generations. It's a time for looking at how we enhance our engagement and seek increased participation by members of our diaspora in national development initiatives, as well as for cooperation among our regional groups.
If you are ready to make a meaningful impact, our Ways to Give Back section offers numerous opportunities to contribute and give back to our beloved Jamaica. For the savvy investors, don't miss our curated investment opportunities. Explore these carefully selected ventures that not only support Jamaica's growth, but also offer rewarding returns. Kickstart your JA Diaspora Engaged journey today by visiting the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade website at www.mfaft.gov.jm. Let's join hands to shape a brighter Jamaica together, where dreams turn into reality.
It is a fact that the diaspora has been for years asking for ways to receive curated investment information. They say, we want to know how we can invest, where we can invest. We don't want to have to fly down to find out. And this JamDem portal will deliver that.
We have over the years been the beneficiaries of Japan's generosity, and today's ceremony is an important demonstration of our long-lasting JJ partnership.
The opening of this lovely facility, Jamaica House in India, is, yes, to advance our diplomatic relations, but more so to advance our economic relations.
Having had very fruitful talks with Prime Minister Modi, I can say with confidence that today heralds a new phase in Jamaica-India bilateral relations.
So it is my pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to officially unveil the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade's first Citizen Charter. It will inform our clients about their rights and, in fact, their privileges and responsibilities as citizens to receive high-quality services from here.